Hello everyone, welcome back to Brook Valley Life, or hello for the first time. Having a few issues with the lighting, sorry about that. Today, got an unboxing put together and a test. Now this is something for anybody who does any woodwork at home. And when you do woodwork you get a lot of dust and sawdust and stuff like that. It's not good for the lungs, it's not good for you. You should always wear a mask. Some of it can be carcinogenic and horrible for you. So I've managed to get a dust extractor for my garage stroke workshop, and what we're going to do today is take it apart, open it up, put it together, see how it works. So stay with me and I hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome back, and hello for the first time if you are here for the first time. So what we have is a Scheppach, it's German anyway, dust extractor. This was bought from Machinery House here in New Zealand. Costs about $400. This was a birthday present for me, just so I can have a few more birthdays afterwards. And what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, have a look inside, put it together and see how it works. So stay with me and we will get this thing open. So here it is. Comes in a well packaged box. Most probably be lots of polystyrene. And what we'll do is just quickly open it up, take the blade. Now I wanted this one rather than the Hafco that Machinery House do as well, mainly because this one comes with some hose and connectors. The Hafco one, you need to buy that separately. So hopefully I'll be able to put this together. I've got some extra, I think it's about 10mm hose, about that big, which could go on the end, and I can take it around to everywhere and suck up all the sawdust I've got. So let's take this, have a quick look at the manual for putting it together. Okay, there we go. Easy, put together, nuts and bolts, and let's see how we get on. And I'll put this onto time lapse. So after a few issues, nothing major, just getting the nuts and bolts in the right way, it's all together. And this is the Scheppach, yeah, something like that anyway. The dust extractor, which I can now move around. Yep, easy enough. The hose goes onto this back end. Let me bring that down. So it goes on under here. In fact, I'll quickly put that on now. Stay with me. If I can remember where I put everything. Hairs all over the place, need a haircut. We get them on soon. So what we'll do now is we'll flash this up, see how it works, see how noisy it is, and yeah, see if it sucks or not. So that's plugged in. Here's our suction. Let's give it a go. Wow, that sucks. Not too noisy, especially when you've got power tools on as well. I do have some smaller hose which I'm going to put on the end, and we'll check it out, see how it sucks, so stay with me. Sorry about that. So this is going to make a funny noise because I haven't got the right hose on here, but what we'll do is I will start this and go and suck some stuff up from the table, and we'll see how it goes. Works well. Hang on, I will turn this off so it stops making silly noises, and I'll have a quick chat. So here we have the Scheppach, whatever you want to call it, wood dust extractor. Works really well. I'm happy with that, so I can use it now. From what I've just seen there in that quick test, it works better with a large suction hose, so I might have to buy myself some large suction hose. I've got couplers so I can put it around easy enough. But yeah, for the price of it and for what I'm going to use it for in here, it's going to suck up all the dust and yeah, keep it nice and tidy. Fingers crossed. And 6 months down the line, I will come back and we'll just do a review on this to see how well it has worked and how much dust it does keep out the air and all that type of thing. So hope you've enjoyed, and stay with me and wait for the dad joke. So here we go. I thought the dryer was shrinking my clothes. Turns out I was wrong. It was a refrigerator all along. Yeah, they are getting worse, I know, sorry. Catch you next time. Have a great day and enjoy.